Welcome! In this video I will test the new Kaleido Metal Colors from Gaahleri. Kaleido Colorworks is a new water-based acrylic color range which was released this year. Gaahleri was kind enough to send me this color set for free. I don't get any money for this video and I didn't receive any conditions, just to let you know. The colors come well packaged in a nice designed box. You get some information about the colors and accessories currently available. Here we have the 12 colors of 20 ml each. You also get a small bottle of thinner and cleaner. All colors contain a metal ball and must be shaken well before use. I prepared a small model of a P-51 Mustang with glossy black primer and masking tape. Black glossy primer should always be the first choice for metallic paints. If you use something else, the final result will be different. Let's get started. I'm spraying everything with a Gaahleri Möbius airbrush and a 0.3 needle. I want to see if the colors can be used directly without thinning, and it works perfectly. Later, I slightly thin some colors to see how it works. If you are spraying very fine or using a 0.2 needle, I would recommend to use some thinner. For larger surfaces, however, the colors can be sprayed directly without any problems using a 0.3 needle at 15 to 20 psi. I try to spray thin layers until I achieve an even result. If possible, do not flood everything with paint, otherwise the metallic effect will not work as well. Overall, the colors are very easy to spray and changing colors is quick and easy with a cleaner. By the way, the smell when spraying is very low, which is a major advantage of these water-based acrylic paints. Now let's take a look at the result after the satisfying removal of the masking tape. It's very impressive how the beautiful metallic shine comes across. I also really like the different shades, which can be mixed with each other. The paint felt dry after just a few minutes, however I would wait a bit longer before further processing. I am very positively surprised by these new paints. They produce a convincing result, are easy to apply and offer a good selection of shades with the paint set. The low smell and quick drying are also very helpful. I hope this little test was as interesting for you as it was for me. I will definitely use these colors in future projects and would recommend to try them out. Feel free to use the bonus code in the description. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.